What's going on, everybody? Welcome to My Faith Tech. If you're in the market to purchase a camera bag, one of the best camera bags, I suggest Peter McKinnon camera bags, and you'll see why here in a minute. I tried other camera bags from other retailers such as Amazon. The camera backpacks were just, the dividers were too flimsy, or it just did not fit the lens, or sometimes the material was just not quality, and I needed something to protect my camera gear, my lenses, my camera accessories. I needed something to accommodate all that, and then also be useful for everyday carry, such as my stuff when I go off to work. So I ended up looking online, and I found a Peter McKinnon everyday camera bag. For a while now, when I purchased it, it was an Indiegogo product. Now it's actually for sale on the NOMATIC.com website. It's called the Everyday Carry series, and I really recommend this. It has compartments. You can set however you want to set it. You can carry a product. You can put small dividers, big dividers. You can divide the compartment into a top portion versus the bottom portion. You can put your laptop in there, and we'll see the different accessories, ways you can set up your camera, as I will demonstrate here in a minute. Thanks again for watching My Faith Tech. This backpack gets 2 thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video.